Roku versus Amazon Fire TV, which is better in 2026? Hey everyone, welcome back. Streaming devices are everywhere, but which one should you buy in 2026, Roku or Amazon Fire TV Stick? Today we're comparing the two giants across 7 key points to help you decide. Whether you're a cord cutter, Prime member, or just want the smoothest experience, this video has you covered. Let's dive in. Point 1. User interface and ease of use. Roku wins for simplicity. Its clean, grid-based home screen puts your apps front and center with minimal ads and easy customization. Fire TV looks modern but pushes Amazon content and recommendations more aggressively, which can feel cluttered. Point 2. Performance and hardware. Fire TV often edges ahead with faster processors, Wi-Fi 6 or 6 Eon Max models, and better support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. Roku Streaming Stick 4K models are snappy enough for most users and support strong HDR, but may lag slightly behind top Fire Sticks in raw speed. Point 3. Smart features and voice control. Fire TV shines with deep Alexa integration, perfect for smart home control and hands-free searching. Roku's voice remote is solid and accurate, but more basic. If you're in the Amazon ecosystem, Fire TV feels seamless. Point 4. App support and content. Both support all major apps, Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, etc. Roku offers a slightly larger channel store and more neutral search results that show the cheapest or free options first. Fire TV excels if you use Prime Video heavily. Point 5. Pricing and value. Roku devices are often cheaper, especially entry-level models, while Fire TV sticks frequently go on deep sale. For budget buyers, Fire TV Stick HD or Lite can be unbeatable. Roku generally delivers better value for a pure streaming experience. Point 6. Ads and privacy. Roku has some home screen ads, but Fire TV pushes more Amazon shopping and sponsored content. Many users prefer Roku's less intrusive approach, though neither is completely ad-free. Point 7. Who should choose what? Choose Roku for a simple, neutral, family-friendly experience and great overall value. Go with Fire TV if you're a Prime member, want Alexa/smart home features, or need top-tier audio-video specs. For most people in 2026, Roku remains the better all-rounder. Conclusion. There you have it, 7 points breaking down Roku versus Amazon Fire TV in 2026. Which one are you picking? Drop your choice and reasons in the comments. Like if this helped, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Happy streaming.